IntegratePro ThriveCart MRR install. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the IntegratePro ThriveCart monthly recurring revenue script. You want to visit that link right there, the download link. You're going to download the zip file on your web server, create a database, and then you want to upload the zip file, extract it to your web server, and then run the installation script. So let's dive right in. From the download page, you want to click on Download Integrate Pro. There'll be a zip file that gets downloaded. So the next thing you want to do is go to your web host provider. And a lot of hosts have cPanel, so you want to go here and log in. Now go to Databases, create a database. If you don't already, create a user. Now, make sure you assign that user to that database and apply all privileges. Okay. Now you want to go back to cPanel and click on File Manager, or somehow you need to upload the zip file you just downloaded. So go ahead and extract that. It will have created an IntegratePro folder. Now you want to go visit that folder on your site and run the install script. First thing we'll do is check to make sure your server's configured properly. Instructions on what you need to do. If for some reason the automatic install doesn't work, it'll tell you what to do, which is basically edit a config.php file and include the credentials for your database. So the database name goes here. And then click Submit. And then you're going to want to add your email address here. And there, it's installed. And that's how you install the IntegratePro ThriveCart MMR script.